Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and you are on Lovecraftforever channel. And today we have ArtDot Diamond Art Vacuum Pen unboxing review. And I have to say that we did with you review about this yellow beautiful pen that I 100% recommend you should get it, because I love how it works. It's beautiful design. First of all, it's cute, comfortable to hold, little cute bunnies in here, and it's really easy to pick up diamonds and work with it. And now we have some new pen in a store which looks the same to me from what I see in a box, only different color and little different design. When I look on the packaging, it kind of, to me it says like exactly same thing in here, same kind of boxes and design in here. Then when I look on this side on the back, it's same description as yellow. So I don't know what is different about this, just the color, or could be different section. And excuse me, I did not open this one yet, so it's not like I did not charge it yet. So hopefully it's already pre-charged, because this one now I did not use for about a week. Last time we do with you diamond painting, I used this. Let's see if it's still working, or I need to recharge. See, it's still working. So the life of the battery is here really good. So we're going to kind of compare, but also going to unbox, and I will do this right with you on camera. Sorry, what is going on? I'm losing my voice. I'm so excited to review this and I'm losing my voice. Now the link to this product, I will link, and discount code I will put under my video in the description box, so you can have a easy click and will take you straight to this product. Some of you who already order this pen and you love it, thank you for your trust in my review. I love it a lot, and hopefully this one even better. So let's check it out how this looks like on the inside, because it's so cute. Okay, as always we have a thank you card. In the other one box we also have a thank you card. In here we have a booklet instruction. With the yellow we have a green one, here we have a purple one. Okay, we have a USB cord charge with one, we have a same cord with brand new pen, and here is our, oh, this one have closure. This one a little bit different, it has a closure. Okay, so it doesn't hurt the tip while it's shipping, I guess, but it is open in here, just a protective. And to look in here, yeah, it's the same thickness, I think, of the nozzles. Can we focus? Looks the same. Now look at this design. Let's check it out. Designs, maybe I need to bring you close to me. This box give me off the focus or what? Okay, look at this kitty cat with the butterflies. Here is kitty sitting. This one is laying, or like a playful playing maybe, or sleeping, because it's a moon. Butterflies, the kitty cat sleeping. We have a purple button on and off, USB portal to our charger. And what I want to see, Let's hope it's going to work. Hopefully already pre-recharged. And later I will take you to my table, probably going to pull out my ArtDot diamond painting canvas so we can try to place and see how this is going to work. I want to see if this is actually already pre-recharged. Let's click the button and listen to the sound. And it's working. Now let's see if it's the same noises or not. Listen carefully. I have to say the sound is different to me. Feels like this one a little bit more quiet, kind of like a humming sounds. And this one more like a vibration have into it. So how about we are going to test how suction work, if it's the same or not. But first I want to see this booklet, if this is different capacity of this pen, if we can check specifications of both of them. So battery, runtime 4.5 hours. In here we have the same thing, 4.5 hours. 37 watt battery. I think it's 37 or also 3.7. Oh my goodness, I need the glasses. So anyway, I will show you this way. It looks all the same to me. So I don't know if this is just because of the color, that only is a different little bit of the sound. So as battery already recharged and working good, so I would say let's go to the table and try to test it out in the action and see how this is going to work. Now we are by the window, hopefully going to visibility a little bit better. If you can look, the nozzles opening, I would say in a purple pen a little bit more like a tight, green more open. This way I think they look exactly same, or it's thinner green, I don't know. No, it looks the same. The thing is, this is really good nozzles. I call nozzles or tip. It's a very nice resistance for breakage, so it's strong. It should last you for a very, very long time if you don't force it too much, pushing it. But I mean, it's really hard tip, not gonna break it. And I love such a pretty pastel color, purple. Pretty color. I'm right now like on the website I'm looking at, it says $49.36. I think it's Canadian price showing me, because when I open website it was $35 something and then jumped to this price. So I think it's switched from US to Canadian for me because I am in Canada. So we're going to try to place the diamonds. I already have this cute little tray from ArtDot as well, and I pick pretty green diamonds. Diamonds are very nice, good quality diamonds, very shiny. We are still working on the design of the beautiful cottage. Let me pick a sneak peek for you. This design, gorgeous. I wish to live there, right? So let's see how this is going to be sound for you on camera. If I will diamond paint, obviously when you pick up diamonds the sounds will be changed. So I want to know your opinion. What do you think, if it's going to be like too loud for you or not? You can see that has a little bit kind of like a grip design in here. I don't know, is it visible for you or not? Yeah, you can see there's like a texture in here. Okay, let's check it out. There. Okay, let's see how this is going to grab diamonds. Diamonds, here's our diamonds. Can you see it? I'm shaking it with diamonds. Diamonds suction is really nice. Color, not color, sound slightly changes when I place diamond. I want you to listen a little bit to the sound. To me personally, it doesn't annoy me at all. It's not loud. I can handle that. I can feel a little bit like vibration. Let me try one more time this yellow. You can tell that this one a little bit more quiet and less vibration. It's more kind of calm in your hands. This one a little bit louder and has more kind of like a shaky vibration in the hands. But it's not loud. It's still quiet compared to other pens that I've reviewed a long time ago. Those one was like very, very loud. So let's place a few more diamonds. I would say the diamonds grabbing really nicely. This would be such a nice pen, of course, for the AB diamonds. Those stubborn diamonds that doesn't want to place nicely with the wax pen. So this one is one amazing pen because you don't have to play with wax anymore. It's easy to place. You recharge once, it will last you for a very long time if you're not using it. The charger, as you can see, my bunny pen still running. And I actually last week we were diamond painting with you with regular pen. So it's like more than 2 weeks, I think, and the charger is still holding them. So that's good. Hold on. Let me put my diamonds in front of me. Should I bring you a little bit more close to here? If my battery will die, I don't know, I will have to put on a charger right away. And we're going to practice with this pen much more in my future diamond painting video, especially when we will work with the AB diamonds, because AB diamonds I never going to place anymore with the other pen, because wax is just very frustrating to put wax and just keep coming out, and then you try to push the diamond and the wax coming out. So this one definitely another good pen. So we're not going to make this video very long. I just wanted to try to see how this is going to hold diamonds. So both of these pens are good. Your preference, what do you want to have in your collection? They are both beautiful. Oh, I love the color on this one. And it's comfortable to hold. By the weight, I think they're same. It's exactly same weight, same length of the nozzle. It's just the other one had a protective tip to keep your tip safe. But obviously I will keep my in the original box. That's what I like to use. I will pull out the insert, but so it's more comfortable to put charger throw up there, and that's it. But definitely going to be in the original box, because obviously box is very pretty as well. And I'm a person, if I like box, I will keep and reuse it. Alright, so I'm very happy with this one. Very nice, cute design, kitty cat. If you have a, well, I do have a cat in my household, but he is a black cat. This one is a, how you call it, Toby cat, brown cat. Always want to say Garfield. Okay, very cute pen. They are both good quality. One is just a little bit more quiet and less vibration. This one sounds like a little bit more louder and a little bit more vibration. But to hold the diamonds, they are both good quality pens. So I would say go ahead and get it if you like it. Very nice as a gift for anybody, for birthday, Christmases, and just because, you know, for your friends. So check it out. A link will be under my video. And happy shopping, my friends. We'll put this one away. There. Have fun shopping, and let me know in the comments what you think about this design.